Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. Look at this particular chart. This chart is from 2012 to 2020. What we have seen that it has made a U pattern. Okay, in the same way we have seen this pattern is forming. This is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, after that we have seen a same half fall. Okay, in the same way we have seen in this particular segment also. Okay, now after that what we have seen, it has tried to raise up, but we have not seen a swing formed at this particular level. Otherwise this both pattern will be moving in the same zone, but it is from 2012 to 2020. This is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, so what we can see looking in this particular zone, see if this particular swing form, okay, we can see a strong support coming at around $1649.5. okay, so if this swing form or this particular support stand, we can see it can go further upside, because now it is currently trading at around $1674. okay, 1681 was a strong support, as I've told you in my earlier videos, that if the price fall below this level, we can see it can move further low. Okay, this is where we have seen it has made a low of around 1649, which acted as a good support and has moved again to a level of 1674. okay, so before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also I given in the description. You can join that too. Now look at this chart. Suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $1687. okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $1709. okay, so once the price goes above this particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1727. okay, and this 1727 is already a weak resistance, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go towards a level of $1735. okay, and once the price goes above $1735, there is a higher probability of moving further high towards a level of 1746, which is again a resistance which is already being tested here. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around 1694. okay, and once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $1727, and this particular resistance again a weak resistance, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $1738. okay, $1733. okay, and this $1733 is again a resistance which is already being tested here, so probability will be very high again that we can see it can touch a level of $1744, which is again a weak resistance. So again we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of around 1766 will be there, and we can see it can go further high if the price goes above this particular level. okay, now if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, because overall trend we can see it is moving down. okay, so suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of around $1652. okay, and this $1652 is a support which is already being tested here, so probability will be very high. We can see it can move further low towards a level of $1637, and if the price fall below this particular level, we can see it can go further down and can touch a level of around $1610. keep this in mind. If the price fall below this particular level, we can see a level of 1654.52, and this level is already a support which is tested, so probability is high. We can see a level of 1637, and from there we can see a level of 1610, and once the price fall below this particular level, then a probability of touching 1595 is there, and if the price fall below this particular level more, then we can see it can touch a level of $1562. okay, and from there we can see it can go further down, and a probability of moving further low towards a level of around 1540 is there. So you have to keep this in mind and understand something. Whatever I'm teaching you is for educational purpose, and consult your advisor before you invest or trade. okay, now as you know that there is a continuous downfall, so probability of moving further down is very high. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.